Hi, welcome to Travelzilla. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. So, are you ready for my review of the Hilton Windhoek, my favorite 5-star in Namibia? Let's go! The Hilton Hotel is located in the center of Windhoek, the capital of Namibia, close enough to everything. It's a 5-star facility located 5 to 10 minutes on foot from most tourist attractions in the city. We booked the 7-day Namibian highlight safari with Chameleon Safari, so the airport pickup had been included in our package. The transportation from the airport to the city center may cost 320 Namibian dollars for one person, or 200 Namibian dollars per person if you're not traveling alone, meaning 2 people for 400, 3 people 600, so on and so forth. It takes from 40 to 50 minutes from the airport to your hotel. On the way to the city, you'll be able to see a few animals if you're lucky enough, and beautiful landscapes. Attention, you can get a 10% discount on Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video. The Windhoek Hilton is considered one of the top 3 hotels in the city. It was the first world-renowned hotel chain to build here. It caters to both business tourists and to those that may want to stay for a day or two before or after their very intense safari tours. The hotel offers 150 rooms distributed in 8 floors. The check-in starts at 3 p.m. and ends at midnight, and the checkout is at 11 in the morning. Credit card and cash deposits are required upon entry. Don't forget to get your cash back on your way out. The hotel is modern, clean, really well decorated, and the staff was really nice to us. The Hilton offers 2 restaurants, the Equipa, which serves local dishes with a modern twist, and the Divine, which serves Japanese food and is also famous for its wine bar. Aside from that, you can find 3 bars within the hotel, all of them with a nice view of the city, and a rooftop bar called the Sky Bar, which is pretty famous here. Attention, you can get a 10% discount on Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video. Here at the lobby, you meet someone from Chameleon Safaris. That person's gonna take you to the meeting point, and then you're gonna meet one of your guides. Say hello, guys.
Hi, my name is Beanie.
Hi, my name is Tulimo.
Hi, I'm Gideon.
My name is Kennedy.
This is a small sample of the incredible guides who are gonna take you to places like this. Attention, you can get a 10% discount on Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video. Here at the hotel lobby, there's a cafe called Centrum. It's a really cool place to meet friends and family, have a chat, and have a coffee or cake. Let's check it out. The cafe offers a variety of drinks and sweets to die for. Here, an espresso may cost you 25 Namibian dollars or 1.68 US dollars or 1.5 euros. Hot chocolate will cost you 40 Namibian dollars. A bottle of water may cost you from 26 to 78 Namibian dollars depending on the brand and the type of water you order. Soda pops and juices may cost you around 30 Namibian dollars. That's 2 US dollars or 1.84 euros. My cafe latte cost me 35 Namibian dollars, meaning 2.35 US dollars or 2.14 euros. Let's take a look at the section where the rooms are located, shall we? Let's go. Now let's go all the way out to the rooftop pool and bar. Okay, let's go. In the daytime, this place is a great spot to relax, so the hotel guests love it here. At sunset, this is one of the best spots in the city to watch the sunset, of course, and at night, the rooftop bar is crowded with guests and tourists alike. The Sky Bar opens daily from 10 a.m. to midnight. From there, you can get a great view of the city and its various neighborhoods. It's awesome. The Hilton Windhoek is very close to all major attractions of the city. Almost every single attraction is just an easy walk away from the hotel, a 5 to 10 minute walk to be honest. One of the city's main malls is actually a 5-minute walk away. Check this out. Attention, you can get a 10% discount at Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video. The Sky Bar is definitely one of the top places in the city to watch some incredible sunsets. Let's check out what this place looks like at night, shall we? Breakfast is served every morning up until 10 o'clock. The buffet is very good. It offers fresh juices, fruits, various types of bread, ham, cheese, jelly, and there's a grill with a chef that makes an omelette right there and then for you with the ingredients that you choose. It's awesome. Not to mention the fresh muffins available, which are heaven on earth. Check this out. Freshly made omelette, my fresh muffin, and delicious fruit juice. Yummy. The hotel offers 150 rooms distributed in 8 floors. We stayed in the room 212 on the 2nd floor. Our room was pretty spacious. It had 2 really good queen-size beds. They were very comfortable actually. A shower, a bath, and a toilet. The decor was clean and modern with an African twist. Of course, the room has a phone so that you can talk to whoever you want to, call the reception, call someone, I don't know. A kettle so that guests can make coffee and tea. It offers 2 bottles of complimentary mineral water, which I had while walking around the city to keep me hydrated. And the room has a flat screen TV, cable TV. But hey, where's the fridge? Oh, it's right here. And it's empty. I like it because I can buy my own stuff and place it inside the refrigerator. It will be cheaper and I'll be fine. Thumbs up. There's also a safe, which is pretty easy to use, and plugs everywhere, which is really useful nowadays. Awesome, thumbs up. The room and lobby do have excellent Wi-Fi, spot on. Now let's check out the bathroom, shall we? Let's go. So that's where the toilet is. And there's a nice, really nice sink with enough towels for 2 people. It looks beautiful, right? Well, the shower is right there. I'm a shower person, I prefer showers, and the shower was awesome. Look at that beautiful design, everything brand new. The water flux was amazing, you know, even with the water shortages in Namibia at the time. 2 showers, perfect. If you're a person that likes to take a bath, there's a bath right there for you as well. Check this out. And let's dance a little. The hotel has got a beautiful sink, really nice soaps, extra pair of glasses, a mirror so that you can, I don't know, look at yourself and look bigger, body lotion, shampoo, body soap, liquid soap, whatever that's called. Really nice products. This is the toilet right here, great. And now let's go back in the bed area. Hey guys, so I love this hotel. The bathroom is really cool. The shower works really well, even with the water shortages in Namibia. The location is perfect. It's close to everything. They've got a gym and a spa, which I haven't shown you. So the hotel is really, really cool. I love it here. The staff was really kind, excellent. Service was generally good. And the cost-benefit ratio is awesome. So to me, this hotel is a 10 out of 10. Yay! So guys, thank you so much for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. Don't forget to use the discount code to get a 10% discount in your safari tours at Chameleon Safaris. Check out the description of this video. And don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye-bye! Welcome to Namibia!